Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Ayla, also known as AKA. Today I have a fun video for you. I made a bit of an impulse purchase. I talked about this in one of my recent videos, or a couple of my recent videos, talking about wanting this item, wanting to buy one of these items, and in my head originally I was like, this is not gonna happen for like at least a few years, me buying one of these items. And then the impulses just got too strong, honestly. I just am an impulsive purchaser, and I am looking at it right now because I bought it. Anyway, you'll already know because of the title, but I bought myself a Burberry trench coat. Wow, I did buy it secondhand, and because I didn't want to spend full price for a trench coat. I also don't like the ones that they release now as much as the ones that they released in like the 80s and 90s. So I am just so obsessed with it. I literally cannot explain to you how much I'm in love with this coat. I basically wanted one because I looked at Mathilde Meller's story. Mathilde Meller's Instagram account. She was posting, her dad gave her like this Burberry Mac, and then I was like, oh my god, I've just always wanted like a statement trench coat from a brand like Burberry. And what better time than now? Like, when I am in Australia in 40 years and I have this coat with me still, I'm gonna be like, yes, I bought a Burberry trench coat when I lived in London in 2021. Like, isn't that just such a story? Anyway, so I purchased it. I'm going to show you now. I'm really excited about it. I have styled 6 outfits for you, so I really hope you enjoy those outfits. I'm going to show you them all now. Anyway, I'm just super in love with it, so I'm going to show you. I tried to be really versatile with the outfits. Some of them are more spring, some of them are more autumn, some of them are more winterish, so we're just going to roll with that. But oh my god, I'm just so in love with it. I really hope you enjoy this. Okay, so this is my baby. Excuse the mess in the background. So we just have a classic trench, really. There's nothing much else to say. It does have the waist strap, although I don't tend to wear it. I just like it without it. I like it billowing open. It's super long, it's super massive on me, but I'm just obsessed. Obviously, the Nova check on the inside. Anyway, let's get straight into the styling portion of the video. Okay, so this is outfit 1. As you can see, I've just started with a simple turtleneck. This one is actually a bodysuit and just some black jeans. The bodysuit is from a charity shop and the jeans were from General Pants in Australia. This blazer is from actually M&S, but I thrifted it. I did not buy it from M&S. And the cap is New Era. Will got it for me, so I don't actually know where you can get it. I do know it was limited edition though. It's like a suede. This chain I got off of Depop. I get questions about it all the time, but I cannot recommend you where to buy it because unfortunately it was from Depop. These are just my Jordan 5s. I absolutely love them and you'll be seeing them a lot in this video, so I apologize in advance for that. And then we just have the Burberry trench to chuck over the top. I absolutely love this outfit. I feel like it's very Berlin. I feel like it's just very sporty meets classy meets city girl, you know. I do feel like a boss bitch in this. Like, I feel like this is, you know, a casual street outfit, but I could also wear this to a business meeting and look super intimidating. So I absolutely love it. Alrighty, this is outfit 2, a little bit more of a colourful one this time. This top I made from fabric I found at a fabric shop, however it was like in one of the discard bins, so when they have just like extra scraps of fabric. And the pants were also from a charity shop. I'm so sorry, I just thrifted a lot of things. And the pearls were also from a charity shop. These sunglasses were from, I think, Oscar Wiley in Australia, their prescription. And then my coat over the top, and I did wear my Jordan 5s with this as well, just because I wanted to make it a little bit more street. I could also, you know, wear heels with this and it would look great, but I think just for me, I just prefer the more like street vibe. I absolutely love these pants. They just bring an extra element to the outfit, and the top is nice as well. You just get that little bit of midriff as well, so I really like this outfit. This one gives me like a little bit of vintage vibes, and I think it's just the turtleneck mixed with the pearls, to be completely honest with you, because there's really not that much that's vintage about it. But it's kind of like vintage meets street. I don't know, I really like it. This is the third outfit. I went super simple with this one, very black and white. I just have these resort shorts on. I got these from a charity shop, and the top I think is from this store called Cheap in Australia. I wouldn't recommend shopping there. Everything I've had from there has fallen apart. I'm also just wearing this little leopard headband. To be honest, I have no idea where I got it from, but I just think it's really like cute. Just brings like a sporty element to the outfit. And then of course the Jordan 5s and the coat over the top. I really like this one. It's very like spring vibes. Like, it's cold in the UK, so you want to wear a coat, but also you want to look really cute underneath that. So just have the little like resort shorts and little crop top on. I think it's really cute. Although I do not know if I would have the confidence to wear this one outside. I do think it's really cute, and I do want to wear it at some point, but I'd probably be more likely to wear something like this in Australia rather than here. Okay, welcome to outfit 4. This tracksuit you've all seen before. I bought it from Inku in Australia. It is from the brand Woodwood, and I think it's from their SS 2019 collection. I could be completely wrong about that. And this one's just really simple. It's just the tracksuit, the Jordan 5s, and then the coat over the top. I really like this kind of look where you just have something really relaxed underneath, but you pop the coat over the top and it just kind of elevates it. I also love the colours in this one. Like, it's bright but it's toned down, it's kind of muted in a way, and I just feel really classy and cute in this outfit. This is the kind of outfit I would wear outside because I like wearing tracksuits. I love them. Okay, welcome to outfit 5. I still have the same resort shorts on, and they were charity shopped as I said, and then the top is from, I think, Zara. This necklace is from ASOS. I like it. It's very bougie vibes, but it was probably £4. Very cheap, so you get the bougie vibes for a cheaper price tag. Then I just chucked the Burberry coat over the top as per usual. This outfit is very out of my comfort zone. I don't wear crop tops and shorts. I don't wear heels. So this is very much out of my comfort zone. It's also very girly, which is not me, but it's just a very classy vibe and I like it. I would pull this out maybe for a special dinner or something. And outfit number 6, this one is probably most my vibe. It's very streetwear, which I absolutely love. We know I love a bit of colour coordination as well. I just have my Jehukal snooker tee top on. I also have this Kangol bucket hat, which my mom bought me, and I'm so grateful for her. I still have the general pants jeans on, and then just the coat over the top. But I just absolutely, honestly, I just love this hat. I can't deal. Of course, with the Jordan 5s. I think I wore the Jordan 5s in every outfit in this video except for one, so I hope you enjoyed.